So you'll need 2 centimetre tiles, unless you're really good at small stuff. You'll need something to fill in the little spaces. So these little micro things that I can barely touch or hold, I can use. I just found these tweezers that actually I can work with them to fill up the gaps. They're tiny. I think they're like 4 mil. I think you can get circles as well, and of course lots of other little things that can fill up the spaces, or you can just leave them as blank. So we want to get our 2 centimetre tile, my thumb is not working, and cut it in half. So dead easy. And then we've got lots of rectangles that are twice as long as they are wide. This is what makes the basket weave. These beautiful tiles up here get really carried away with those because they are longer. They are 3 times their width. All will become clear. So you will probably want to do some guidelines so you end up doing it straight. So we do one horizontal. Well, that's not quite a rectangle. Would need a little bit of a nip. And then one that fits halfway in the middle here in a vertical. Then you go back to horizontal and vertical. So you can see why you probably want some guidelines. I'm not very good at straight. And then the next row is one vertical, and then the horizontal comes in. So it's in the middle. It's in the middle of this one, and then there's this little space there which you can fill up with grout, because it's like for this one it's tiny. Basically that's your basket weave, and I'll just continue on to finish off the demo. And see these little square bits, as I said, you can just use your grout, or you can put a cute little something in there where you can attempt to do it. Don't laugh at me, we all have our challenges. So if it was me, I would be gluing these first, and then I would be gluing. I can hear you. So you can see how cute that will look. So I will go and finish this row off and come back and show you how gorgeous it is. So you can see the spaces here work equally as well if they were grouted. So imagine that as black grout, and it still looks pretty terrific. It even looks more of a basket weave if you just leave that black. You can also, the embellishment is still pretty, so it's really up to you what you want to make as the artist. And you could have lots of fun. Like these could be beads, there could be anything in there that you wanted to pop in and fill in that space, if that's what the look and feel that you want. So I hope you have fun with that. Let's have a look at these amazing other tiles. So here we're making the basket weave in exactly the same way, except instead of using one rectangle together, we use 2, because this is 3 times as long. I put those together, and of course you've got all sorts of things you can put in here. Mirrors would look fantastic in there, but you might need to, because these are like serious tiles that would be in a kitchen or a swimming pool or somewhere heavy duty, because the glass is just yummy. It would be outside, because these would be swimming pool type tiles, but they're thicker. So these 12mm dots are about the right size, but if you wanted to say use a round mirror, it'll only be half that size. You can put a scrap of something else in first to build it up, and then pop your mirror on the top, and that would look pretty amazing.